Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're just going to see how to cast a YouTube video directly from mobile phone to the Xiaomi Google TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. To cast a YouTube video directly to your Xiaomi Google TV, just going to show in this video. For that, you doesn't have to use any application. You just need to connect a same Wi-Fi to your TV and also your phone. So the TV and phone have a same Wi-Fi have been connected. Now I'm just going to cast my YouTube video directly to the TV. So now you have this option called cast option here. Just click on this. Now it will be automatically shows the TV that you can just connect and link with the TV code. You can have option to link the TV with the TV code. It will search for the device and it will show the device list and you just need to select it. So now it's searching for my device, for my TV device. It will show now. Now showing my TV. So I'm just going to click this TV. So actually it's connecting to the TV. Now you can see it automatically opens the YouTube and just going to play my video which I just casted from my mobile phone. It's still connecting to the TV and now it's actually playing on the TV. It's just going to have the play option. So now you can see actually the video has been playing on my TV while there is a connected or casted from my mobile phone. This is how you just cast a YouTube video directly on your TV by using the mobile phone directly. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.